Hi little kids, welcome back to my channel. Today I will learn you how to draw a beautiful whale with tracing. Here I draw a dotted picture. Let's connect all the dots and try to draw with me. I draw the whale. Now it's time to color it. Here I am using brush pen color to color this beautiful whale. I am using here deep blue color for these dots. And now I am using the light blue color. Wow, the whale is looking so beautiful. And thank you for watching this video. And if you like this video, please subscribe my channel for more videos. Bye bye little kids.